Hey guys, Crow here. Today we're gonna install probably one of the best modifications you guys can do to your C7 and C8 Corvette. So let's get straight into it. So what we're installing is a Soler Performance Throttle Controller. What this does is it modifies your throttle input signal. It doesn't add horsepower, but it changes how fast the power comes in. From the factory, modern cars have a delay when you press the throttle and getting that full response. This will get rid of that delay. This is a relatively easy mod to install. It takes about 15 minutes, give or take. And what's good is you don't have to retune anything, no check engine lights. It's literally plug and play. So let's jump straight into it. So this is the throttle controller and what comes in the box. Hooray! You get the controller itself and you get the cables to plug it in to the throttle pedal. So all we got to do is remove the pedal and connect this to the cabling, and then we just route the controller into the center console and go from there. What's really amazing too is it is Bluetooth, so you can adjust the sensitivity through your phone. All you'll need for this install is a flathead screwdriver along with a 10mm socket. So to make this install as easy as possible, what you want to do is raise your steering wheel all the way up and make sure you push your seat all the way back. So what you guys are going to have to do is grab your flathead screwdriver and you're going to see a flat piece right here. Go ahead and pry this off. Next up, you're going to grab your 10mm socket and get that bolt off. Once that bolt is off, all you got to do is just push back on the pedal assembly. Once you guys got the assembly out, you're going to see a red tab here. Go ahead and pinch the connector and just pull that tab out. Then the pedal assembly should be separated now. With the pedal assembly out, take the red inlet tab and you're going to want to go ahead and connect it inside. And this black inlet, you're going to plug back in to the throttle. Do not forget to push this red tab down to secure it in place. Once you have all the connectors in, go ahead and reinstall the assembly just like how you took it off, and then screw back in the 10mm bolt. So once you guys install the assembly again, the extra power module box, you can go ahead and tuck it under the carpet where the pedal is. And the last piece is you're going to grab this USB-C cable included and just go ahead and connect it into the controller. But I recommend you guys cable manage it and find a spot you want to put the controller in. There is a double-sided tape, you peel it. We're going to stick this into the center console. So as you guys can see, it's all cable managed now. Literally, we're going to put the controller in here. So before attaching the controller inside the center console, I'm going to use some 70% rubbing alcohol to get rid of any dirt and grime, and then we can stick it on. The controller is now powered on. It's on the OEM setting. There's literally no cables showing. It looks OEM. You can't even tell that you installed it. So I'm really excited. We're going to go ahead and try it out. Alright, now we are in OEM mode. Let's go ahead. I'm anxious. Let's put this on Sport 5. That's the setting everyone recommends. So you just push it with this button. CFO, Sport 8. We're gonna go to Sport 5. That's the setting a lot of people say is a sweet spot, so let's try it. Alright, let's go. Holy shit. Okay, hold on. Wait. By the way, I'm not capping, I'm not over exaggerating. Everything I feel, I'm telling you guys honestly. Dude, what? Yo! Hold on. This can't be real. Wait. No, okay, I told you guys I've been driving this car for like 6 years. Hold on, my heart's racing. Wait. Dude, it makes a big difference. Wow! Yo, Ren! Brother! This is crazy! What the fuck? This is actually insane! No, this is insane! Dude, the pedal lag is gone! It's gone! What the fuck? Okay guys, I stand by this. Of all the mods I've done, this is absolutely insanity. For $200, absolutely worth it. This is not sponsored. I paid for my own money. I was skeptical of this mod. It makes a fat difference, bro. Ren, This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my god, I don't know how to explain it to you guys. You know what? It feels like that this car is tuned. It's not tuned, but it feels like it. It's not adding any horsepower, it's just the throttle response. It's so sharp. This is crazy. Wow, look, you bro, look. I'm not tripping, the whine kicks in sooner, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, this is crazy. Let's go, baby. This is insane. I'm 100% getting this on the C8. I feel like this is mandatory. If this model's garbage or felt weird, I'll let you guys know. I'm on Sport 5, by the way. I'm not on the ludicrous mode that they have. Dude. Absolutely incredible, guys. There's a link in the description you guys can click. Like I said, it's not sponsored. I don't have no codes for checking out. Literally, I 100% recommend it. It's so easy to install. This is game changer. And Sport 5 is the sweet spot. Can we squeeze bends through this? Yeah. There you go. This is insane. Man, I'm speechless, bro. We're gonna go hop on a highway real quick, guys. It's mandatory. Dude, this is nasty, bro. This is straight nasty. The best $200 I've ever spent in my life. The second best mod I did was the NX Supercharger Lid. But this is the first, like, this mod, if you just buy this car, it's the first thing you should do. And a short throw shifter. Crazy. Absolutely incredible. This is the kind of thing you guys have to install for yourself. You won't regret it. I promise you, you won't regret it. If you don't like it, switch it back to OEM or yank it out. But the fact that you can change the modes is insane. Yes. Absolutely must buy. 10 out of 10. This is going on a C8 Z06 as soon as possible. Expedited shipping and everything. This is crazy. I'm very overwhelmed today. I'm so tired. I mean, yeah, guys. My reaction says it all. Worth it. With that being said, you're watching Crow. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.